a video of me blowing this. Does it really work? Did you really try it or no?
No, it doesn't work.
You didn't really try it.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't. Now really try it.
You try it.
No.
Yeah.
Stop recording me.
You try it.
Stop recording me.
Here, you do it.
Stop recording me.
What if I just did it right now?
Do it. Because you wouldn't do it. See, you're not even pushing. I don't see it going down at all.
Because it doesn't go down any further.
You're dumb.
I think you're the dumb one. That was uncalled for. You could have broken my camera.
I wish I did.
Yeah, why?
Then it would stop recording.
That's not cool. You could have whacked my camera.
You could have whacked your camera.
Why are you making fun of me?
Why are you making fun of me?
Listen, Liz.
Listen,
You
Liz.
dare me?
No.
Look.
Do it. Oh, see, you weren't pushing it. Do it. Come on. No, all the way. Do it. You're going to make the dogs go ballistic. Sounds like one of those things, like, you know. Never mind. Come on.
You mean like those whistle pops?
Yeah, like.
Yeah, I know
Yeah.
what you're talking about.
Do it.
Liz!